Hey, this is Cooking with Darryl here. I'm here with Weber and Huckberry. Today we're making a couple meals for the 50 things you have to grill before you die. Today we're making a holiday meal, one of my family's favorite. With the holidays coming, I like to eat a little decadent, right? And have some elegant meals every now and then. And today we're gonna go with some filet mignon with a blue cheese panko crust on them, which are gonna make them delicious. I always like starting my fillets with some bacon grease. The bacon grease makes a great binder. A lot of people use oil. I like the bacon grease because of the flavor. So we're gonna pour some of this on there. Again, this is not only for flavor, but as a binder. There's so many different toppings you can put on a steak, but me personally, I am a salt and pepper guy only. It's all you need, especially if you're gonna do a blue cheese crust. You don't want to kill it with a bunch of other flavors. Generous amounts of salt. Fillets, in my opinion, lack a little flavor. I like the fattiness of a ribeye or a New York, but my family loves the tenderness and how lean a filet is, so that's what we're going with today. Whenever you cook a steak, gotta let it rest. You have to bring it to room temperature. So these I've had out for about 40 minutes, 45 minutes, just to bring them to room temperature. You don't want them going on cold. All right, so we got our Weber Traveler at about 550. To me, optimal heat for any kind of steak. We want these things to sizzle. The bacon fat's gonna help do that. Get a little flare up. Nothing better than a steak flare up. So I like to go at about 550. It'll be about 8 to 10 minutes. Get it to an internal temperature of about 130. We're gonna put this blue cheese crust on, let it sit, and then pull them off. And then you always let them rest. You have to let them rest for at least 10 minutes. They'll cook for about another 5 to 10 degrees, and they'll be perfect. I'm gonna close them up here. I like having it kind of cook both ways, kind of like as an oven, as well as on the grill. So now the other sides and the internals will start getting a little cooked also. So I usually go about 2 minutes aside, flip them, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. So every 2 minutes, you know, I've read and been told for years, you only flip them once. I don't buy it. I don't know if that's, I just don't think that's accurate. I don't think you can flip them too much. So let's see what we got. See, you get a little grill mark already. Nice char on one side. I'm gonna close it down. Oh, now we got the crisscross, the crust building. You don't want to overcook your steaks. So whenever you're about ready, give it a little poke and see what the temperature is. Again, I like more medium rare, so I like to pull them off at about 130 and tent them. Let's give a quick read. All right, we still got some time. We're at 85. What I got here, we're gonna make our blue cheese sauce. Just got some butter. So you can microwave it, but I don't want to run the house, so we're gonna just put it right here on the grill, kind of let craft and the grill do all the work, melt the butter. Over here, just got some crumbled blue cheese, use whatever kind you like. And then I just got some panko. So I'm gonna add the panko to the blue cheese. Yeah, again, that just gives it a little crunch. I don't wanna add too much, I don't wanna overpower, I want more of the blue cheese flavor. And then we're gonna pour that butter on top. Butter on a steak is the best way to finish a steak, bar none. And so here, with the butter in the blue cheese, a lot of people don't like blue cheese. My whole family loves it. So when I make this topping, they're all fans. All right, so now I got the butter. It's all melted. We're gonna pour it into the blue cheese and panko. Now we're gonna cover it up just to give it the final touches. All right, so now we're gonna take them off. You can kind of still see it's got some movement. Should be medium in there. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cover them up and tent them for about 8 to 10 minutes. So the way we eat, no one gets their own steak. No one gets a half a steak. I slice it all up because generally we'll do fillets and ribeyes and New Yorks and kind of mix it because I like the fattier meats. And I just have them all sliced out and people come up and grab what you want. There's never anyone who's got a half a steak that you're throwing out because they're just taking a piece. So we're gonna start by doing that. Oh boy. You know, sometimes you just don't know how they're done until you cut into them. My opinion, couldn't have been done any better. And I would be honest with you. Could not have been done any better. I've got pink throughout, zero well doneness. Even one of them's got a little more medium rare. But I'll tell you, my piece, and I steal every one of these, are the ends. I love the ends. I love the seasoning on the outside, all the flavor. You got the cap of the blue cheese, and yeah, I'm gonna try it. Are you kidding me? That is so delicious. Melts in your mouth. The blue cheese, and I think it's the butter in there, just lightens this whole thing up. So, thank you, Huckberry. Thank you, Weber. Great collab today. I can't wait to eat all this because this is so darn good. And this is a great holiday meal. So, make it this holiday.